I get this question all the time. Devin, should you enter a niche where the titles are clear but all the thumbnails look the same? Short answer, only if you can see a visual wedge before you publish. Here's the practical test. First, do a 3-0 video scan. Pull up the top videos in that niche and ignore the titles for a second. If most thumbnails feel interchangeable at a glance, that's packaging saturation. The niche can still work, but your click ceiling is tighter because the title has to do too much work. Second, find 3 repeatable visual angles for the niche: proof, process, and consequence. Proof is the result, artifact, screenshot, or object. Process is the system setup or breakdown. Consequence is the mistake, risk, or before and after. If you can't generate those angles consistently, you probably don't have enough visual room. Third, run the 1-0 idea test. Write 10 video ideas and force a distinct thumbnail concept for each one in under 5 minutes. At Satura, that's a workflow gate before scripting. If you stall out, that's a useful signal. So my rule is simple. Enter the niche if the titles are clear and the visuals can still separate. If the thumbnails are all clones and you don't have a repeatable way to stand out, narrow the niche before you commit.